Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're having a little get-together up here for Xander. His birthday is just in a few days, so we're having just a few people together here for a little birthday party for him. All the Christmas stuff has been taken down now. I was gonna just be up here. I came up here after work yesterday. I stayed last night. I was gonna stay for the party today and then head back down. But now the weather, we're under a winter weather warning. It was an advisory. Now we're under a warning, and there could be 5 to 8 inches of snow here. Sounds like up at the tent they're probably going to get about a foot, and I actually think I'm going to be going up to the tent probably right around that January 18th. I think that's a Friday. That Thursday or Friday, somewhere in that week. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see here if this storm is going to come or not. I don't believe it until the snowflakes start falling.
Out of cake.
Just in time.
Hey dear Xander, happy birthday to you.
Now blow out the candle.
Oh,
You gotta lean up and go.
Up there, blow it.
Blow up harder.
A little bit.
Try it again.
Yes, I can get it.
Let's see.
What is it?
It's got tricks on it.
Oh.
Hey, hat.
Oh, it's a special hat. Oh my God.
Got it. It's got inside that.
And I didn't know they have zippers on the side, so you don't have to tie them.
Isn't that adorable?
Oh, cool. You can just leave them tied and zip them up.
I
Yeah.
do something like that.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good. Look at this. This is a car. These are cars.
Oh,
cool.
A whole bunch of little ones. Well, what do you say to everybody?
Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
You go give hugs and kisses. Sarah can show you.
You gotta look for the edge, see? Like this. Then you gotta pull it.
I have something else.
See the deer out there? Yeah?
I'm gonna hold you up there. I don't know. There you go.
All right. Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, say happy birthday.
Oh, it's so close.
Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Okay, let's do this.
Are you going to sing
1,
with this time,
2,
Xander?
3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy.
Well, the party went real good. It's about 11 o'clock at night now. Everybody has went home long ago. The snow just started maybe a half hour ago. They've dropped the numbers down quite a bit for what we're going to get, but at least it's coming down. We'll see what happens by morning. Well, the snowstorm petered out. Just ended up getting maybe an inch last night, but then it rained, and it's still misting right now. Everything is covered in ice. You can barely walk out here. I mean, look at this. All the schools up here are 2 hours late. Give them a little chance to get some salt on those roads. So I'm going to wait for a couple hours and then I'll probably head back. Well, I left the house. The driveway was just horrible for slippery, but then when you get out on the main roads here, they've got a lot of salt put down here. In fact, I watched a salt truck go by, or the plow truck, on the road in front of the house, and he was dumping a ton of salt on it. And here you can see they started this road earlier, so this one is actually not too bad. It actually is pretty foggy here. Well, thanks a lot for watching. It wasn't much of a snowstorm, but we had a nice little birthday party for Xander. I will see you guys on the next video.